Justin, move. I need Brittany.
Oh, Miss Hahn.
I got Miss Hahn. Hey, Miss Hahn. Okay.
The BFHI, or Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative, came up from a success story of the UNICEF Corporation. UNICEF should be known not only for these success stories that we all know, but also for the less spoken ones we don't hear much about. Be the change that you want to see in the world, by Gandhi. The sources I used were compassion.com, thinkexist.com, quotesaboutlife.ca, babyfriendlyusa.org, unicef.org, and I interviewed Christina McDowell. I am here to honor the UNICEF Corporation and their success by improving nutrition and survival rate for women and children around the world, for their program 10 Steps to Successful Breastfeeding, and also by improving the health of women, children, and babies. By improving nutrition and survival rate for women and children around the world. Since their funding, UNICEF has made significant progress in immunization, oral rehydration, to save the lives of infants with severe diarrhea, promoting and protecting breastfeeding, fighting HIV and AIDS, micronutrient supplement, and health education. The UNICEF Corporation has worked toward lowering the death rate of children, which was at a high 21,000. The world reached an important milestone in child survival in 2007, with the new estimates showing a 27% decline in the under 5 mortality rate, from 93 deaths per 1,000 lives in 1990 to 68 deaths per 1,000 in 2007. I followed the UNICEF Corporation since the start of my second speech. I have seen the commercials on television. The UNICEF Corporation is starting to advertise their goals and make them more known to the world, which brings in money and in turn increases the profits they receive. One success story would be that progress on a vitamin A supplement has been outstanding. In 2006, 74 countries reported a 2-dose coverage, and of these 74, 35 attained at least 70% coverage. In 2006, the global child mortality rate was estimated at 72 deaths per 1,000 lives, 23% lower than the 1990 level. Nature knows no pause in progress and development, and attaches her curse on all inaction. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. The 10 Steps to Successful Breastfeeding program was outlined by the combined workforce of UNICEF and the WHO, or the World Health Organization, in the 1980s. The 10 Steps led to the creation of Baby Friendly Hospitals Initiative, or the BFHI. The 10 steps would be to maintain a written breastfeeding policy that is routinely communicated to all healthcare staff, to train all healthcare staff in skills necessary to implement this policy, to inform all pregnant women about the benefits and management of breastfeeding, to help all mothers initiate breastfeeding within 1 hour of birth, to show mothers how to breastfeed and how to maintain lactation even if they are separated from their infants, to give infants no food or drink other than breast milk unless medically indicated, practicing rooming in, allowing mothers and infants to remain together 24 hours a day, to encourage unrestricted breastfeeding, to give no pacifiers or artificial nipples to breastfeeding infants, and also to foster the establishment of breastfeeding support groups and refer mothers to them on discharge from the hospital or clinic. Dream as if you'll live forever. Live as if you'll die today, by James Dean. UNICEF worked to improve the health of women, children, and babies. Improving the health is one responsibility among many in the fight against poverty. Healthy children become healthy adults, people who create better lives for themselves, their communities, and their countries. Improving the health of the world's children is a core UNICEF objective. The health of babies improved due to the introduction of 10 Steps to Successful Breastfeeding program. If the survival rate increases due to the UNICEF's work, then the health of these women, children, and babies must also have improved. Since the nutrition of women, children, and babies has improved, in turn, the health has to increase as well. In 2007, UNICEF procured more than 3 billion doses of vaccines for the world's poorest children. Life is not about living a successful life. It is about who helps you live a life worth living. Children around the world do not have what we have here in the United States, so their quality of life is much less. To them, food or water means more to them than a new iPod or laptop means to us here in the U.S. A quote from my interview, Christina McDowell. UNICEF is known for 3 objectives: to improve nutrition and survival rate for women and children around the world. They are known for their 10 steps to successful breastfeeding program, and they are also known for improving the health of women, children, and babies. UNICEF deserves to be awarded for all of their known accomplishments, and those that are not so well known. We should let the world know just how much time and effort UNICEF spent on trying to make this world a better living environment for women, children, and babies all over the world. The children of today are tomorrow's future, and without them, this world would not be able to continue in existence the way we do today. Thank you.